Go up, down.
Sinisafe, approach the patient. Check for response, and go. Okay, stop. Saan ba maghihihi kay baby? Where? Oh, alam mo yan. Saan ba kay baby mag-check ng response ni baby? Yes, okay. Hey, are you okay? And go. No response.
No response. Call, hey you, call the 911 and bring the AED and come back.
Hey, you call the 911 and get AD and come back.
Okay. Head tilt, chin lift, check for airway and breathing for the patient. Okay, stop. Sa baby, hindi mo i-release si baby. Flat lang si baby, right? And then, anong pulse ni baby? Brachial pulse. Go to the other side, yung pulse mo. Okay? For you, head tilt, chin lift. Wag mo i-pinch yung nose. Yan lang. Head tilt, chin lift, and then carotid pulse. And then count for 10 seconds. Ready? Okay, stop. Your ears should be near the baby. How could you feel that? Okay, 1 to go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No pulse.
Negative pulse? Negative breathing. Perform?
Perform CPR.
Okay, cool. So, for you muna, saan yung ano mo, landmark mo? Xiphoid process? Where's the xiphoid process? Avoid the xiphoid process. Avoid that. Go up pa. Touch mo muna yung xiphoid process. Xiphoid process, no. This one. No. Baba pa, you know, may bar. Yan. Avoid that. Put your other arms on the top of that. No, avoid lagi. Iwasan ba? Yun. Again, touch the xiphoid process. Iwasan mo yan. Ilagay mo isa mong kamay dyan. Okay. And push. For baby, sa below the nipple line. How deep ka mag-push?
Okay.
How deep? Gano'ng kalalim ang pagpa-push?
1.5.
No, for adults.
2 inches.
For you.
1.5.
And push.
1,
Go.
3, 4, 5.
Stop. I cannot hear yung dapat may ganun. Push mo nga. Yun. Okay, good job. Ikaw push. No. Again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Okay, head tilt, chin lift. Use the mask. Alam mo ba kung paano gamitin yung mask? Yung apex nandito sa ilong. O yan. Pag ganyan, maglalagay ka ng oil, ng mga gas, imbudo yan. Baliktad. Ganun. Yes, perfect. Seal. Seal mo. I-seal. Yan. Akin na nga. Seal ba? I-seal mo. Yun, perfect. Kay baby, di ba naka-apex nandito? Ang kay baby is baliktad. If you're using the mask. And the baby's mask is smaller. Okay? Pero ganun ang paglagay. And, sige, push. I-seal mo. Dapat walang hangin na lalabas dyan sa gilid niya. May makita pa akong hangin sa mga mata niya. Iganon mo ng kamay mo. Ng dalawang kamay. Ha? Sige, ikaw nga. Yes, perfect. And blow. One more. Continue. CPR. CPR. You're going too fast. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 9, 2, and blow. Sabay kayo para hindi malilito. One more pa. Dalawang blow. Ilang beses ulit-ulitin yung primer? No. Yung cycle. 5. Okay, 5th na. And push. Sabay nga kayo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Head tilt, chin lift. Tilt the head. And blow. Okay, then check for life. Head tilt, chin lift, check the pulse. Look, listen, and feel for 5 seconds. Tanggalin ng mask. And then, pulse. Saan ang pulse mo, primer? Carotid. Don't pinch the nose. Carotid pulse. Nasaan ang carotid pulse? Hala, saan? Saan? Okay, good job. And count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive pulse but not breathing. Perform.
Rescue breath.
Paano rescue breath ng adult? Isang blow, rest for how many seconds? 6 seconds. For you,
1 breath, 3 seconds.
every 3 seconds. Repeat how many times? For you, how many times ka mag-repeat?
6,
20.
20.
20 to 24 for 2 minutes. Siya muna. Ikaw muna. And blow. Count. 1, 2, 1,
1, 2, 2.
5.
1, 2, 5.
Continue. 10.
1, 2, 10.
Every 10 na. 20.
1, 2, 20.
50.
1, 2, 50. 1, 2, 60.
Ikaw. Game. And gamitin mo yung mask. Seal. Head tilt. Chin lift. Tilt the head. Tilt. Yes. Okay. Dun lang ganyan. Kaya mo yan. I-tilt ang head at saka i-seal yan. Na. Di gihapon, no? May lumalabas na hangin. Yan. Seal and... Okay. And blow. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, blow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20.
30.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30.
50.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50.
Stop. Ilan dapat ang blow?
20.
Ilan?
20.
20 hanggang? 24. Umabot ka na ng 50. One more last na, 24. And blow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
24. Blow. Okay. Check for life. Head tilt. Chin lift. Carotid pulse. Remove the mask. And look, listen, and feel. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive pulse. Positive breathing. Perform. Recovery position. Okay. Ano yung muna sa adult? Ako, baby. Like that. Okay. Ang adult? Yan. And then the legs. Then move the patient to the left. Okay. In the count of 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Check the head for any injury. Check being head. Touch the head. Any injury. Any blood. Check the back for any fracture. Check the legs for any fracture. And the patient is not reactive anymore. Hey, are you okay? Not responding. Flat. Balik flat. Balik ang baby and start crying the baby. Check for life. Head tilt, chin lift. Look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. Carotid pulse. And count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Negative pulse, negative breathing. The patient's unconscious again. Perform CPR. Go. And AED has arrived. Open the AED. Attach the pads. Siyempre, i-on pala. On the AED. Attach the pads. Ikaw, saan ang pads mo? No? Saan ang pads?
Chest. Upper chest.
Yes, ang asa. The other one? Sa ang lower. Gamitin mo yung isa mong kamay doon. At saka, saan to?
Dito sa lower.
No. Yes, lower pa. Doon sa papuntang kilikili. Sige pa, papunta pang kilikili. Down pa. Dito, down, down. Yes. Pilit. Okay, do not touch the patient.
Clear.
What pa? Do not touch the patient. Analyzing. Shock is advised. Please press the shock button. Are you clear?
Clear.
No, before ka mag-click, clear ka muna.
Clear.
Pag-click mo ganyan, clear. Clear?
Clear.
Are you clear?
Clear.
Please press the shock button. Charging. Toot. Shock has been given or shock is given. Continue CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, class. Okay na?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.